Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone and car head unit. Plug the phone into USB or connect via Bluetooth if your car supports wireless Android Auto. Unlock the phone and choose Android Auto on the car screen. Make sure WhatsApp notifications are allowed and microphone permission is granted so voice messages work. Once connected, open Android Auto on the car display and tap the Apps menu. You're now ready to bring WhatsApp into the driving interface. Once Android Auto shows apps, find WhatsApp or the Messages tile and open it. You'll see recent chats or notification previews. Use the voice command to compose messages hands-free. Say, "Hey Google, send WhatsApp to" and the contact name, then dictate the message. When a message arrives, press the play or read aloud control to hear it. To reply, tap reply or use voice. This keeps your eyes on the road while you manage chats safely. To wrap up, end the session by closing WhatsApp and safely disconnecting the phone. If someone else will use the car, revoke notification access. If messages don't read aloud, make sure Android Auto has notification permission and that Do Not Disturb isn't blocking alerts. If problems continue, restart the phone, repair Bluetooth or reconnect USB, and update both Android Auto and WhatsApp. That usually fixes the common glitches so voice and messaging work reliably again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.